What's up, YouTube? I'm back again with another video. I'm feeling a little better now. My allergies ain't kicking my ass today. I'm at home now. I didn't have time to make a video while I'm on lunch because I was busy. So I'm going to make one anyway while I got home. And today's video, I'm going to talk about the importance of a to-do list. A to-do list to me is a reminder, what do I have to do tomorrow and the next day? It's a step one, step two, and step three. The more things you accomplish on your to-do list, the more steps you take. So a lot of people do a to-do list and it'd be a big ass list. I don't do a big list. I do one or two things each day that will help me get steps into the right direction. So if you're trying to create an online business, like for me, for example, one of my to-do lists today is to create a video, post a video, do the keywords for the video. My next thing I'm supposed to do today is create a blog post. And that's it for today. Okay? Create a blog post. So even though that won't take me long, I still done it. So at the end of the day, when you put on your head, what'd you do today? Did you get anything accomplished today? Well, I did make a video, I did make a blog post. So yeah, I got some things done today. And they're light. So people, you have kids, you have family, you go to events, you don't have a lot of time. You have to make a 4 or 5 to-do list. I make 2 things to do a day. And then the best part is, once you do, say Monday, you have 2 things to do. Say Monday, I have to write 2 blog posts and create 2 videos. Boom. I get that done. Now, I go ahead and write on Monday 2, 3 things I could do on Tuesday. So what do I got to do Tuesday? Well, Tuesday I have to publicize the blog post and publicize the video and put it on social media. That's one thing. The next thing is write an email. And let's say I have to write a blog post on Tuesday. Well, if I have time on Monday, I said, hell, I could create a video real quick. I can make the video on Monday, and then Tuesday, I don't have to do it. I already done it. So I make my Tuesday lighter if I do my to-do list ahead of time. So everything you do, you prepare yourself to take steps towards your ultimate goal. If you want to study for a course, or you want to study for a test, or you're in a business school or some school, put down study for an hour. I study for 1 hour. What's the next thing you gotta do? Oh, I gotta clean the house up. Put on your list. What else you gotta do? Well, I gotta pay this bill. Put on your list. I got to do Uber for an hour today. Put on your list. Once you get home and you've done and you're ready to go to bed and to sleep, this you get anything accomplished. That is the main goal of people who make a lot of money. Every day they get something accomplished. Even on their off day, the day they chill, relax, they have something done. And you have to do something every day. It can be the smallest little thing, but remember, when you're not working, somebody is working. Somebody's working twice as hard as you to get where you at or want to be. So you always want to be doing something every day. Don't let a day go by, a weekend or Saturday night or Friday night. You could have made some YouTube videos. You could have made a blog post. You could have talked to somebody on Facebook about building a business or making money. Don't let the opportunity go away. Make sure you get up every day. Okay, I have 2 things to do today. Because I'm telling you, if you do 2 things, somebody out there is doing 4 or 5 things. They're doing 6 or 7 things. And the customer you trying to get, you're probably not going to get. So, and a couple videos ago, I did how to make money fast. And one of the things I said, well, start cutting grass. You know, cut your neighbor's grass, cut the next door neighbor's grass. You can make 80, 90 bucks in 2, 3 hours. Good money, right? Cash money. Well, you know, if you're not on it, somebody else will come and cut their grass. And hey, I'll cut your grass every 2 weeks. And they got a contract and you can't get the customer. Because you want to bull drive all day. You didn't want to go over there and cut the grass. So one thing your to-do list is to go to 4 neighbors' houses, knock on the door, and ask them to cut the grass. And that's it. If they say no, they say no. If they say yes, they say yes. So that's my to-do list. So create a list. It don't gotta be a big list, but make sure every day you have to do something. I don't care what it is. Do something towards your business. Do something towards your ultimate goal, whatever it is. If it's become a millionaire, do something each and every day. If you want to make money online, do a blog post. Create a video and post it on Facebook. Do it every day. Do something. You buying traffic to a landing page, set up the landing page. Set up the ad. Boom. Tomorrow, I'm going to let the ad run. I'm going to invite people to a webinar. I'm going to write table of contents of my book and write 2 chapters on Wednesday. On Thursday, I do 2 more chapters. Do something towards your business, because everybody's busy. This is a fast world we live in. Things change real fast. So I understand that. So this is my tip for the day for the lunchtime motivationals. I might do one on Saturday and Sunday. Don't know yet. It's mainly for Monday through Friday. But if I get more views, which now my views coming in real slow, I might do something weekend, but I don't know. But quick tip, just sum everything all up. Get you a list, 1 or 2 things to do every day, and you cross them out. And then when you start Monday and you look at Friday, you got a lot of shit done. You got a lot of things done. Like, damn, I got at 5 days, I got done 10 things on my blog done. And I didn't spend a lot of time. I still have free time. I can still play the Xbox. I can still hang with my friends and family and still make money in my business. So that's a mindset you gotta have. This is my message for the day. Visit my blog, thexking.com, and I'll see you next time.